How to change work location on Google Maps. Hello everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to update your work location directly within the Google Maps app. To start, you can see where my current work address is already marked on the map. If you've recently moved offices or just need to change the spot, the first thing you need to do is to navigate to the new location. Simply scroll across the map until you find the exact building or area you want to set as your new workplace. Once you're there, you're going to long press on that spot to drop a pin. Now look at the menu bar at the bottom and swipe right until you see the Add Label button. Give that a tap. When the text box appears, you're going to go ahead and type in work, and Google Maps will recognize this as your primary work address and ask if you'd like to set it. So you're just going to click on work right here and set your work address. Now you're going to have to just click on update right here, and just to confirm that you're all set. Your new work location is now saved and ready for your next commute. I hope this tip makes your navigation a little easier. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.